This crab steals houses for a living. But wait, it's way crazier than that. Hermit crabs are born homeless. Their bodies are soft, so they break into empty snail shells just to survive. And here's the insane part. They don't choose shells randomly. They try multiple shells like clothes until one fits perfectly. When a bigger shell is found, hermit crabs line up and swap shells. Everyone gets a better home. And when predators attack, they pull in, seal the entrance with one claw, and turn into a living rock. Some hermit crabs can live for 30 years and can even climb trees. For a hermit crab, a shell isn't decoration, it's survival. Subscribe Animal Atlas for more interesting facts.